Hey guys, so I made this short video to share something that works for me. Sometimes I find to be more productive, it means to take a step back and do absolutely nothing at all. So my girlfriend and I, we took off camping for the week. We turned our phones off and we really enjoyed the outdoors, leaving behind all things work related. Whether you have a week off or a day off, try doing this. Try doing absolutely nothing for an entire day. Whether you're just sitting out in your backyard by your pool or you've gone camping, just turn your phone off, enjoy the moment, leave the emails behind, and I promise you it will do wonders. And if you're like me, after doing absolutely nothing, whether it's a day or a week, you're gonna come back more refreshed, ready to get back to work, more motivated than when you were before. Okay, so that's it for this video. Obviously, I did do a little bit of work while I was there. I filmed this video that you saw in the beginning. It took maybe 30 minutes total. And other than that, for the whole week, I was just relaxing. So I just wanted to share the message with you that it is important to take some time off and refresh, and you're going to come back feeling more motivated to get back to work. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Good.